Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow app making changes to photos on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, go down and tap on Screen Time. Now we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then we go down and tap on Photos. Now enter in the screen time passcode. And in here, select either allow changes or don't allow changes. In here, it says that disallowing changes locks the settings shown below to prevent any new apps from using your photos. Photos stored on your iPhone may contain other information such as where and when the photo was taken and the depth of field. Now go down here and you can select which apps can access photos or selected photos or none. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.